Hello everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely great. If you are planning to join LSSC and wondering how to fund your account using Coinbase, stay with me. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to transfer your crypto safely to LSSC from Coinbase. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and come on lightsha.com. Over here, you need to simply log in into your account. Now on the home page, you won't be able to see the recharge option. In order to get that option, tap on the Me tab in the bottom right hand corner and then you can click on the recharge option. Or if you are on the home page, you can directly click on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen and click on the recharge option. So this will redirect you here on this recharge or the deposit page. Over here you will see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, etc. So here you can select any of these cryptocurrencies. Basically you need to select that one which is available in your Coinbase account. I'm assuming that you want to deposit USDT. So here you will see three different options for USDT like USDT Polygon, TRC20 and the ERC20. So the ERC20, TRC20 and Polygon are basically the networks which you can use in order to successfully deposit the crypto in your account. So I would recommend you to select Polygon and TRC20 because these two will save money on the gas fees. So I'm assuming that you have selected USDT on the Polygon network. So you need to click on that, enter the amount that you want to deposit, then click on the confirm option. So this will be the QR code and this will be your deposit address. You need to copy this from here, then open your Coinbase app. In your Coinbase app, from the payments tab, simply select the send option. It should look something like this. Over here, you need to choose an asset and the amount that you want to send, which in our case is the USDT. So here you will be able to see this type of page in front of you where you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer and then enter the network and click on the send now option here in the bottom. Now within just 5 to 10 minutes or sometimes it can take longer, so you are going to get the money credited in your LightSHA account. So you can come here on the home page and here you will be able to see your amount updated. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.